Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to sew a kimono using my Ivy Kimono pattern. The Ivy Loungewear set includes a bralette, a kimono, and a pants. If you're interested, please check out the description box down below or my website thedressmaker.org. Now, let's get started. Place the front and back bodice right sides together. Pin at the shoulder and side seams and sew them together. Finish the raw edges using zigzag stitch or a serger. And press the seam flat. Fold the sleeves in half, right sides together, and sew along the side seams. Finish the raw edges using zigzag stitch or a serger. And press the seam flat. Fold the cuffs in half, right sides together, and sew along the side seams. Press the seam open. Pin the front and back facing, right sides together, and sew along the side seams. Finish the raw edges using zigzag stitch or a serger. Finish the raw edge of the bodice opening using zigzag stitch or a serger. Sew the facing and the bodice right side together. Pull the seam and facing to one side and top stitch them together. Fold the facing at the seam line and press the seam flat. Carefully press the seam around the collar on both sides. Top stitch the back facing to the bodice. And press the seam flat. To finish the hemline, finish the raw edges using zigzag stitch or a serger. Fold 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch. Sew and press. Turn the bodice to the wrong side, the sleeves to the right. Pin the sleeve to the bodice. Match the side seams together. Also, match the notches together. Sew the sleeves to the bodice. Finish the raw edges using zigzag stitch or a serger. At the end of the sleeves, sew a thread in the middle of the zigzag line. Use a wide zigzag stitch. Leave a lot of the extra threads at both ends. Pull and gather the fabrics to create bishop sleeves. Adjust the gatherings so they are fit for the cuffs. Tie a knot in the threads to secure the width. Layering the cuffs on top and pin them in place. Sew them together. Fold 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch. Fold the cuffs in half and pin. Match at the stitch line. Sew as close to the folding edge as possible. And press the seam flat. For making the belt, put a thread in the middle on the right side. Fold the belt in half. Start sewing from the short edge and along the length. Keep the thread in the middle and leave one end open. Tie all the threads at the closed end together. Pull the thread and turn the belt right side out. Push inward. Press the seam flat. Fold 1 centimeter inward, or 3/8 of an inch. Sew the hole closed. And voila! You're done! Hope you found this tutorial helpful and able to make a lounge kimono for yourself. For more sewing videos, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification, and check out our website, thedressmaker.org. Thank you so much and hope to see you again next time. Happy sewing!